Getting started with ELSA Speak.
ELSA Speak is a mobile app designed to help you improve your English pronunciation using smart technology. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play and create a free account. After registration, answer a few quick questions about your English learning goals. This personalizes your experience and ensures the lessons are relevant and targeted to your needs.
Setting up your first pronunciation assessment.
Begin by taking the initial pronunciation assessment offered by ELSA Speak. Follow the app's prompts to speak various words and sentences aloud. ELSA analyzes your pronunciation and identifies specific areas for improvement. This assessment creates your personalized learning path, targeting sounds, words, or patterns where you need the most practice to become clearer and more confident.
Exploring lessons and practice modes.
Navigate to the Practice section to access a wide range of exercises. Lessons cover common English sounds, stress patterns, and intonation. You can repeat words, sentences, or even entire conversations. ELSA gives immediate feedback, showing which sounds you pronounced correctly and which need more work. Use the Listen function to hear native pronunciation before trying again.
Tracking your progress and using feedback.
Check your progress in the app's dashboard. ELSA tracks your accuracy, shows improvement trends, and recommends lessons based on your past performance. Pay attention to the color-coded feedback after each exercise. Green means good, yellow or red highlights trouble areas. Focus on repeating challenging words until the app signals improvement and you feel more confident.
Tips for maximizing results with ELSA Speak.
Practice a little every day for the best results. Use headphones and speak clearly into your phone's microphone for accurate feedback. Explore extra features, like recording your speaking and comparing it with native speakers. Don't rush. Take your time with lessons and review your mistakes. Staying consistent and using ELSA's personalized paths will help you achieve accurate English pronunciation.